Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And I'm telling you, man, today is going to be an epic day, epic cook-up. I'm telling you, it's going to be such a lovely day. And today what I'll be doing oven roast fish. Yeah, man, I'll be doing some oven roast snapper fish. And I'll be doing some steamed veg. And I'll be doing some fried bammy. You know, for many of you who don't know what fried bammy is, it's cassava. You know, you find it mainly in the Caribbean and in Africa. Yeah, so yeah, it's good for you. If you never had bammy before, then you know it's a good thing. You can try it. Yeah, but before we get into seasoning our fish, don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave us power that subscription button. Was it leave a subscription? No, man. Yeah, man, just bless up the subscription icon. Make it turn gray. If it's red, let it turn gray. Yes? And touch that notification bell. Before I season my fish, I just want to big up one of my loyal supporters. You know, she has a channel as well. Really shout her up on my channel. So Anna, you're there from day one. I know, and you have never left. You are still there. Anna, the Malt House. You know, big up yourself. Let's come over here now. I'll show you what's going on. As you can see, we snapper right there, and in this bowl we've got here, we got our season already mixed together. We've got some all-purpose season, we've got some jerk seasoning, we've got black pepper, and we've got fidget season, and some Maggi fish seasoning, and we've got some parsley in there, some fajita seasoning, and we got some salt. So I've combined everything together, and I'm gonna go in with my hand and then just season up these fish. So just take your season, sprinkle it all over it inside. Yeah, back home we normally use the barbecue to roast them, or a jerk pan to roast them, but that's not gonna happen right now. So we're just gonna use the tin foil and the oven. You know, and if you've never done it before, it's a good method. It works, and everything come out lovely and nice. This is the filling that we're gonna be used to stuff our fish. Right. So first, we've got some spinach here. I choose to use spinach because I like spinach. I can't get fresh callaloo in Britain. You can do, but maybe not at this time. So I've chosen to use spinach. And I'll be going in with some chopped okra. Over here we got some carrots that we already grated. And over here now we got some pumpkin that we already grated. So I got one chopped onion. Over here we got some chopped bell peppers. I've got some garlic I'm gonna chop. We got some, this is stalk of scallion. So here we are, our scotch bonnet pepper. I've got some fresh thyme. Here we got some pimento berries. We're gonna just squash them. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with some Maggi, some cock soup. Some cock soup mix. We're gonna pour your cock soup mix in there. I'll be using some fish seasoning in my filling. Parsley. We're going in with some black pepper. We're going to use some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine all of that together. So let me come back and show you what's happening. It's time for us to put our filling in our fish. And if you come close, people, and have a look how we have done our fish. Yeah, we have put some butter inside our fish, just to let it cook nicely inside, you know, there's a bit of flavor still. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take out our filling, and we're gonna, this job is a bit messy, do this. Yeah, so here we are. We're just gonna take the filling, just stuff it up in there. Don't worry about my hands touching this thing because it ain't gonna touch nothing else. Yeah, so yeah, just look a bit over it. And I'm not gonna ask my daughter to come and just take up this foil, put it away, and I'll wash my hands when I finish. That's brick. Yeah. I'll take another one. I'll tell you what, I'll put a bit of vegetable on the foil. And what I've done, I put a bit of butter on the foil, as you can see. Look. I love you. Yeah. Another one. 4 fish. And I said whatever leave over from my filling, I'm just gonna steam it down and let you see how lovely that gonna look as well. Gonna look. She now show her face and she's afraid like camera. She mass up like she wanted. Yeah, this is the last one. Right, so let me wash my hand, and I'm going to show you when I'm going to be wrapping up these fish and then put them in the oven. So this is how we're going to wrap our fish in our foil paper. So if you come closer and have a look, so just fold it like that. Yeah, just at the end, just fold them under. And what this is going to do is going to steam inside that foil paper. Get the ends closed up as well. I'm going to steam. You don't want to wrap it too tight, because what will happen, you'll find the file. Can I have a little one, Brittany? You find the file stick to the flesh of the fish, and then it will become mushy. And that's one of the reasons why I put my vegetable on the back and on top of the fish, so it doesn't take the flesh when you open it up. Right, so you just wrap it under like that. Another one. You're not getting none, you know. You're not getting none. Yeah, so I'll wrap this up and I'll come back and show you when I'll be putting it in the oven. Yeah, man. Cook and inspire. Right, so here we have it, 4 big fat fish. Here we go. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Here we go in the oven. And put it on 150. And we're good. What I'll be doing, let's put my saucepan on there. Let's put a bit of butter. So what it's gonna do now, I'm gonna use this to make all that nice juice that you can pour over the fish. I'll say probably sauce. You call it a sauce? Sauce. Right. Bring that back down. I'll be going in with that. It's only take like 5 minutes to cook and it's done. Cool. As I said, we'll be doing a lot of stuff today, but I'm just gonna focus on showing you how to prepare the fish. Yeah, so let me come back and show you what's gonna happen next. So here we are again. Cook and inspire. in the kitchen, and this is my final product. Our oven roast fish. You know, this is it in the foil paper, and here we have it in the plate. You know, we're gonna do it with some vegetable, which is nice. So, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that notification when you subscribe, so you'll be notified when the new video them drop. So here we have it now. Oven roast fish. Nice and lovely. Look at that. And we've got some bammy over there. You know, I can't wait to dig into this fish, man. Where's my fork? You know, so I'm gonna taste this up right now. Lovely. Look at that. People. No man, so here we have everything, brother. Cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. You know, big up on yourself. Until next time with solo. Here we go again. Baby, I'm tasting the thing now.
Ready for my dinner.
Yeah man, cook and inspire with it. People, can be good, be careful. The boat land.